In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps from your PC. Just you need to follow and watch this video till the end. First, just hit Windows button and open Settings. So once you open your settings, go click on Apps, and here you will find you click on Apps and Features, and you will find all the applications that is available and install it on your PC. For example, I want to install one, so I will search for it here in the search bar here, or I will just look here on this list. So for me, I wanna delete this war fair. I will just click like this and click on uninstall and click uninstall and click yes and click uninstall. And that's all, guys. It's going to uninstall correctly and easy. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.